Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to update existing data and refresh your Power BI dashboard. This is a crucial skill because as your data changes in the source files, you need to ensure your dashboards reflect the most current information. Let's walk through this simple but essential process. First, open your Power BI application on your computer. Once you're in, you'll be able to see all your existing reports and visualizations. For this example, let's say you have a stacked column chart already set up in your dashboard. This chart is displaying data that you've imported previously, and everything looks good so far. Now here's the scenario. Let's say you've gone into your Microsoft Excel file, the one that's connected to your Power BI dashboard, and you've updated some of the data there. Maybe you've added new rows, changed some values, or corrected information. These changes are now sitting in your Excel file, but your Power BI dashboard doesn't know about them yet. This is where the refresh function becomes incredibly important. Head back to your Power BI application. Look at the top toolbar of the application, where you'll find several options and commands. Among these options, you'll see a button labeled Refresh. This button is your key to syncing your dashboard with the latest data from your source files. It's typically represented by a circular arrow icon, making it easy to spot. Click on the Refresh button. When you do this, Power BI will immediately start pulling the updated data from your connected Microsoft Excel file. You might notice a brief loading indicator or see the visualization briefly update as the new data is processed. This is completely normal and means the refresh is working. Once the refresh completes, your Power BI dashboard will update automatically. Your stacked column chart, along with any other visualizations connected to that data source, will now display the most current information from your Excel file. The changes you made in Excel are now reflected in your dashboard, giving you accurate, up-to-date insights. And that's it. You've successfully updated and refreshed your Power BI dashboard with the latest data. This simple refresh process ensures that your business intelligence tools are always showing you the most relevant information, helping you make better informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.